Hello and welcome to BST 322 Introduction to Biomedical Statistics. I'm Dr. Michael Myers and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this short video welcoming, I just want to show you some attributes of the class. So to get to your course, you probably already know, but you just need to go to myonlinelogin.com and log into the course with your ID number and password. When you do that, you'll reach the home page for the online classes, and all you have to do from there is up in the upper left corner click on courses and you'll go to your course list. So once you're there, you scroll down and click here to access the course listing. It'll call up your courses for you. So from there you just click on the class. So we're BST 322 Introduction to Biostatistics. Okay, so once you enter the course page, on the left side is all your navigation panes. So if you haven't taken an online class before, this is the side where you're going to interact with the class most often. So the first thing you know is you can click on these and your screen will look slightly different from mine because I'm using an instructor page. But on the left here you'll see things like the course syllabus, which is from NU, the course outline. So I'm also going to email this to you, but this contains all the information about the course, including how to contact me by email. There's a help to start button as well, which will help you to go to your student orientation tutorial to help you if you've never taken an online class before. You probably want to go there. There's also a quick browser check. If you click on that, it'll check your browser for you. The class schedule is here, the required readings, how to turn in assignments for the class, and so forth. There's also a link for the ebook. So the textbook we're using in this class is Polite's book on statistics and data analysis. It's a customized book that we've made for the course, and when you get your book like this, it's going to have all the chapters we're covering in this class, and will also include a little card that'll give you an access code to access the software we're going to use in this class. And this book has to be bought from NU's textbook site, so you can get the access to the software as well. That you do by just clicking on the StatCrunch link. This will be for the software we're going to use to analyze data in this class. And here you just click on the StatCrunch link, and then you'll go to Pearson's eCollege site. It'll prompt you for some information to accept the software, and then you simply go to their website. Once you do that, then you pick up the analyses. I've included many videos on how to use StatCrunch in this class, and I'll show you that link in just a bit here. But basically, once you get to their site and they've authorized your use of the software, you click on Open StatCrunch and you're good to go. So from here you can input data sets, put in data, you can type it in, and so forth. So this is the StatCrunch software that we're going to be using in this class. There's also a virtual office, so this is a running discussion board where you can post up topics to me and I'll respond to them here. It's probably a good place to do it rather than email so everybody can see the response that I'm giving. There's also a student lounge, so feel free to introduce yourselves, talk about who you are, and you can also leave messages for each other here in the student lounge if you care to. And I'll be monitoring both of these to make comments on whatever students post there. You see the course is separated by week, so at first you're going to see week 1. There's going to be games and activities for you to look at, terms to know, flashcards to help you. There'll be lectures here as well as a slide set which pretty well match the course textbook as well. And here you'll see the assignment for each week and a discussion board. So in this class you want to post to the discussion board. There'll be 2 discussion board questions each week. And there's also information on how to post to these discussion boards up in the course home as well. So for example here the discussion boards, and for the first week you've got analysis of heart rate to do and respond to, and also contingency tables. So those are the discussion boards for week 1. So then you'll see those for the other weeks as they become available to you. The StatCrunch instructional video link will take you to videos I've made for the class, so just click here and this will take you to all the YouTube videos I've made for this class. They contain tutorials on how to use the StatCrunch software for all the analyses we have in the class. There's some supplemental learning objects there for you as well. Information about the independent project is here in the course shell, as well as a guide to the Class Live Pro chats we're going to have. So once a week we're going to meet actually together online, and I've given you a little introduction here, a guide to joining those sessions. Basically we're going to meet Thursdays from 6 to 7, and you simply click on the Live tab, and click on join the session to join the session. You can actually go here early in the week if you want, activate a session to make sure your software is working correctly if you'd like. I'll go ahead and delete any of those that you leave here, but you can just get onto the live sessions by clicking here a join session. And again, there's details for that on this guide to the Class Live weekly chats. If you can't make the weekly chat, you can watch the archive that'll be down here in the session archives, and just email me a short paragraph of what was covered, and you can get the points for that activity as well. But I think you'll want to join us in Class Live. We'll go through the assignments, the stuff for the quizzes, and other things for the course in our Class Live session. There's also up here on the right, your grade book is here, your grades will be here. There's a doc sharing area which will have documents I'll post for you, like the project and the discussion board questions. And again, here's a Dropbox you'll go to drop your assignments for me. There's also a web link here and also tech support if you need some help from tech support. So that's a brief introduction to our class, and I hope to see you online soon.